Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to do knotless box braids. Stay tuned. I'll be using the Shine and Jam Extra Hold. This is my favorite edge control. I call it edge control, but it's really a gel. I'm gonna add that to here before I start braiding. I'm just gonna start off the braid and then add little pieces of here under my index finger. You guys will see what I'm talking about as we go along. So I start braiding from left to right. Then I start adding the hair under my index finger on my right side since I'm right-handed. Every time I try to do it on the left side, it never comes out right. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to be adding the hair under my index finger and pay attention to what I do. I'm going to braid after adding it and then add another one, if that makes sense. I'm braiding and then I'm going to add another one. Now I'm going to be braiding all the way down. I am not a tight braider. I do not have a tight grip, so I'm doing my best here. So I often get asked, how do you seal the end of a braid? If you don't do this, then your hair will unravel. So I'm basically just going to be tying a knot with a little strand. And then when you're done with that, you're going to dip it in hot water. I didn't show it in this video because I totally forgot. But I'm just going to be tying the knot and then move on to the next braid. I'm going to be doing the same, following the same steps. I'm going to be parting her hair, adding some jam to it, and start braiding again. Start braiding from left to right. When you get to the right side, then you start adding the hair under your index finger. Now I'm adding a braid under my index finger. You're gonna braid to the left and then braid to the right. When you get to the right, you're gonna add another strand. And braid to the left, braid to the right, and add another strand. Add another strand, then we're going to start braiding down. I'm showing you guys how you seal the end. Once again, if you didn't catch the first part, you're just going to make a knot and then dip it in hot water.